Good morning, sir. Our topic is all about chart catalog and its uses. What is chart catalog? A chart catalog is a crucial resource. It lists nautical charts, providing information like charts number, coverage areas, and edition to help mariners plan and navigate voyage safely.
Next is the importance of chart catalog. It's a give the date of publication, dramatic index coverage date of the current edition, the coverage area of publication, and the titles of various chart and publication. Ang chart catalog isa sa pinaka-importante nga gamit para mapadali ang pangita sa mga data o impormasyon nga kinahanglan sa mga lahi nga mga butang.
The purpose of chart catalog is provide comprehensive and up-to-date reference and Admiralty maritime data solution, including a standard nautical publication as well as AVCS, Admiral Victor Chart Service, ERCS is Admiral Rossler Chart Service, Admiralty Aid Service, and TP and NMS.
Next is we have a chart. Now we need to familiarize a chart. There are two scales of a chart, the large scale and the small scale. Large scale is like zoom in. If you zoom in, you can see breadth, bridge, the landmarks. Small scale is the like zoom out. You can see overview the general view to the chart.
Next is we have four types of charts: the sailing charts, general charts, coastal charts, and approach charts.
Sailing chart. A sailing chart is a detailed map designed for mariners. It shows important information like coastline, depth, navigation aids to help ships sail safety.
General chart. A general chart is a type of nautical map. It provides a broader views of large area. At a smaller scale, showing major features useful for a long distance or coastal navigation.
Coastal chart. A coastal chart is a detailed nautical map focused on shorelines. It displays features like harbors, buoys, and shallow areas to assist ships in inshore and inshore navigation.
Approach charts. Approach charts is a specialized nautical chart which provides detailed information about approaching ports, including navigation channels, hazards, and landmarks to guide ships safely into harbor areas.
Now we focus on letters in the pictures. First is the letter A. A is for anchorage position. Kung naka-X na, so dili na siya para sa anchorage or it's not for anchorage. Example, kung na-X nakabutang diha, pasabutan na bawal ka diha mo anchor. Next is B. B is for contour lines. Ang gi-emphasize diha sa letter B kay kanang shaded part na color blue. That is what we call contour or the contour lines. There are different types of contour. We have the deep contour, shallow contour, and the safely contour. Next is C. C is for isolated danger mark. For some reason, they are isolated. It indicates hazard in navigation like rocks, ridge, or obstruction. So kanang C is isolated na siya na ay mga posibleng nga dagkong bato or maka obstruct sa imong pag-navigate. Next is D or deep. Deep of the water. Kalawmon. So 30 means kang 30 that's picture, it means na 30 meters ang kalawmon sa tubig or sa dagat. So ang deep is mao na ang kalawmon sa tubig. Next is E. E is for isobat. Isobat means a line of equal depth or equal sa kalawmon sa tubig. Kay iso means equal. Pasabot anang line nga naa sa picture. Kang line diha sa picture connecting sa 30, ang kalawmon ana is equal to 30 meters. Next is F. F for marine farm. Marine farm is an area in the ocean or other saltwater bodies where aquatic organisms like fish, shellfish, or seaweed are cultivated. So kanang marine farm is mao na diha ang mga farm sa mga aquatic organism, kaya ng mga isda, mga seaweeds, or any other aquatic organism. Next is G. G for pillar boy. So kanang G sa picture sulod sa circle na G dia nga gamay sulod sa circle, it means green. Kung green nga unya pillar siya, it is on region A. So kung green na nakabutang diha, pasabot ana is na sila sa region A.
Use of chart catalog. Use of chart catalog, it helps marines identify and select the appropriate nautical chart for their voyage. It also provides initial information about chart ability, updates and relevant details for safe navigation.